While politicians continue to bicker over the capital's severe power crisis, Union Power Minister Piyush Goyal, after holding a 2.5-hour-long emergency meeting with the stakeholders, has now assured that additional power will be made available by tonight and that the power problem will be resolved within the next 2 weeks. The Union Power Minister blamed the Congress government for the problem while saying that lack of decision-making and policy paralysis had led to the power emergency in the capital.
The real crux, the real constraint that is causing such agony to the citizens of Delhi is clearly the lack of decision-making, the lack of investment in infrastructure, the lack of any forward planning in the last 12 years since 2002, which was particularly accentuated in the last 4 years since 2010, with a massive policy paralysis, action paralysis, execution paralysis, with very poor decision-making speed and even poorer execution of ongoing projects. Unfortunately, my investigation revealed that correspondents since 2002 have shown very poor addition to the grid capacity. In all of the last 12 years, only a few grids in 220 MVA and one grid in 400 MVA have been added. Most often people have done with adding a transformer here or adding a transformer there or doing routine maintenance and upgradation. But a holistic vision and a holistic plan for Delhi is completely non-existent after over a decade of a government which was led by the mother of the Honorable MP from the region which is worst affected by the power crisis. It is very unfortunate that some political parties have chosen to politicize this issue, little realizing that the facts of the matter reveal that my government under the new leadership has only taken charge 2 weeks ago, but we have had a government for 15 years which was completely insensitive to the growing demand of Delhi and which has failed to provide the needs of the infrastructure. Temporarily restored power in the Mandola-Gopalpur line and the Bamnauli-Papankalan 1 line through emergency restoration systems. The third line, Bhavana-Rohini, is under restoration and I believe will be restored during the course of the day today. The Bhavana-Rohini line, which will be restored by later in the day today. The permanent restoration of these 3 lines would in the normal course take several months, going by the track record of such projects, such problems. Today the Power Grid Corporation has very kindly taken it upon themselves to immediately start addressing the problem of a permanent restoration on all these 3 lines, and we are assisting the Delhi companies, the Delhi power companies. By restoring these 3 lines, we will work 24/7 and get them up and about, latest within 2 weeks. Internal deadline is 10 days.